Hello everybody! Today's video will have a slightly different format and I will present you a simple tutorial on how to make a vortex heart as it was requested by one of you, and I said let's try and see what comes out. Enjoy! That's it everybody, hope you liked today's video and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. I also hope you find this useful, since I guess there aren't a lot of ways to make a vortex heart. I tried several times to get it done, but I always have an unfortunate side effect because of the pinching of one of the edges, namely that the vortex is less visible. I have a few other ideas of how I could create this, so in the future I will try to find a way to better emphasize the vortex shape on the heart. I will maybe try and create a composite shape and see what comes out, but for my first try I'm happy with the result. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Take care.